Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What is going on? Good morning. This is the 1 Minute of Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. And here is your quote for today. Some people are so poor, all they have is money. Is it a trick of a quote or not? People say money doesn't buy happiness, and to some extent, that is totally true. Some people spend their whole lives working with enough to show for it, but a few material things. There really is just no one to share it with, no one to share life with, the adventures, the journeys. The question to ask yourself is, in your last dying days, will it be your wealth that comforts you? Or would you rather it be your family and loved ones? Now, unless you really can't stand them, well, I guess you already have the answer, don't you?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.